I know that I am pure spirit, aren't I? That I always have been, haven't I? And that I always will be, won't I? There's a place of confidence inside me, isn't there? Where all things are understood, aren't they? This universal mind knows the answer to my problems, doesn't it? The answers are speeding their way to me, aren't they? I needn't struggle for them, need I? I needn't worry or strive for them, need I? The answers will be there, won't they? I give my problems to the great mind of God, don't I? The correct answers will return to me, won't they? Everything I need for my fulfillment will come, won't it? It isn't necessary that I strain about this, is it? In the strength of my belief, my faith will make it so, won't it? I see the hand of divine intelligence all about me, don't I? I can call upon it at my slightest need, can't I? I know that my body is a manifestation of pure spirit, isn't it? That spirit is perfect, therefore my body is perfect also, isn't it? I enjoy life, don't I? Each day demonstrates the wonder of the universe, doesn't it? I am confident, I am serene, I am sure, aren't I? There can be no obstacle, can there? The mind of God is in me, around me, and serves me now, doesn't it?